Hello guys, I hope you're having a nice day. We just got nicer with some moderately hot tech news. Okay, so first story for today, we have Google doing what I am currently doing now, telling you news. But yeah, okay, Google Assistant had this feature for ages. We knew that, it could tell the news. I mean, it didn't tell you the news itself because, the voice is like, it has some limitations. There were pre-recorded shows, but now, if you ask it to tell you something good, it will tell you something good from the news itself, which is neat, I guess. But yeah, in this world we live in, maybe it's better to have Google Assistant tell you something good, because we are all greedy and bad people. We may have a better mood with this technique. I don't know. I'm not saying myself this anyways. So, our second story for today is actually pretty hot. It has to do with something hot. Well, I'm not gonna talk about this because Verizon throttled a fire department in California while a fire was going on. Now, yeah, that seems very bad from Verizon's side, because you don't have context. But even if you had, it's pretty bad. Thing is, the fire department allegedly had an unlimited plan from Verizon, which by being unlimited has unlimited data, which means that Verizon can't throttle it. The thing is that after 25 gigabytes of usage, with this plan, another plan, I don't know, maybe something sketchy was going on with this, Verizon throttled the fire department. And the thing is that, okay, you know what, ISPs, they know what's the traffic getting across their servers, which means that, come on Verizon, I mean, didn't you know this was the fire department? Couldn't you find out that there was a fire in California? I mean, okay, it's like, if you want to do the work, you will do it in like seconds, but you obviously didn't want to find out. You just wanted to throttle them so that your servers weren't as crowded. And neutrality may have been a factor as well. I'm just suggesting here. Verizon said it wasn't. That neutrality had nothing to do with this. Yeah, okay, I just it doesn't really have to do with net neutrality because it's a net cap, but I mean, you get my point. And finally, story number 3 for today, we have Facebook and Aloha, which is apparently a very early version of something like a Google Assistant, like a Facebook Assistant, which is great because there will be more competition if you think about it. But I don't think, if you want my opinion on it, that I would trust Facebook with my assistant stuff, with what my assistant would do. Not that I trust Google nor Apple. I really don't trust anyone. I really don't trust any of these companies because, come on, like, do I really need to have an assistant? I mean, I just ask them stuff like, what are 130 British pounds in euros? That's just more convenient. I mean, I won't tell them to buy something from me, I do it myself. But yeah, whatever. Anyways, Facebook is apparently working on an assistant, a voice assistant, It's maybe great for you. And if you're happy about it, thumbs up. I don't care. Yeah, that's the tech news for today. Thank you for tuning in, people. I don't know. I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Peace.